at the end of the last section, we were discussing how fantastic it would be if you could mouse over a video or an image and see a little pop-up that shows some information about that image. So in this section, we're going to go ahead and add that really quickly. Inside of our image preview file, we'll find our render function, and we will conditionally add another element that should be rendered whenever the user is hovering. So if we are currently hovering over an image, we'll run the function this.inset. And if we're not, we'll just say null, no big deal. So immediately after the render function, we'll define inset, which is going to be a function that just returns a div. And this div is going to have class inset, because we're definitely going to have to do some styling on it. So now let's say that we just want to show the number of views on an image, and then we're going to add a break line, and then the number of upvotes. So we need to somehow get access to the views and the upvotes for this particular image. Let's go ahead and check out the Imgur API documentation really quick. If we open up our data models and look at a gallery image, we'll see that every image has a property views, which is the number of image views, and it's also got a property ups, which is the number of upvotes or for the image. And upvotes are essentially endorsements by other users, people saying that they like this particular image. So let's go ahead and access these variables. Both these properties are available on this.props because we passed in all of the images properties onto this.props inside of our topic component. So we'll say this.props.views and this.props.ups. So let's go ahead and save this. Wait for the refresh. And we can mouse over now. And it looks like, well, we're definitely showing the number of views. It looks like we've got 100,000 on this one. That's pretty substantial. And 2,000 upvotes. And it still works with the videos, but gee whiz, it'd be really nice if it didn't cause all the content to jump. So let's go ahead and fix some of the styling on here. We're going to open imagepreview.scss again, and we'll add another rule for inset. Inset is going to have a handful of properties for it again. We'll have position absolute. We'll set the bottom to be 5 pixels, left of 0, a width of 100%, a background color of white. We'll align the text in the center, and finally we'll set an opacity of 0.7 just so it's slightly see-through. Okay, so with these properties set here, I'm going to go ahead and save, and sure enough, there we go. All right, this is looking pretty darn good here. So user can now mouse over an image, depending on whether it's a video or an actual image itself, and they'll see the number of views and the number of upvotes. Cool, I like it. Let's go ahead and continue in the next section.